Hello and welcome to Mina Live, episode 5. This is a audio equipment unboxing. This was a joint action with several people in several different ways. I have to thank many people, and I know I'm going to forget people, but Weekly Creeps, Timothy Duran, PA Nightmares, Breaker 19 for their help, everyone who helped, CCG Amphilia for talking me down on my pride. So as you can probably tell, my audio has been improved, and this is the unboxing. Enjoy. And you can see that it is not opened, neither one of them. I don't know why they came in two separate packages. I know we had that discussion. The little flowers my granddaughter brought me, she wanted to make sure I had flowers today when she came. She likes giving me flowers. Probably out of the yard here, it's okay. So I'm going to move the flowers over here out of the way so they don't get hurt. There we go. Hand reveal. Yes, but all you're getting in this. I'm going to pause it right here. No, I'm not. Yes, I am. I don't know. How do I do this? I need a way to do this. Da-da-da. See, it was easier to do this last time because... Can I make you see me do the cutting? Can I let you see me do the cutting? You can hear it, right? This is supposed to be the... Oh, look at my dirty nails. This is supposed to be the headset because this came yesterday. And that is what it is. It is the headset. And I'm going to pause right here, and I'm going to take the plastic off so I can open the box. Okay, apparently my phone does not know how to pause. So here we go. I'll have to piece these together. And as you can see, there's nothing else in the box. I want to make sure you guys can saw everything that came out of the box. So we had the microphone cable, this way, and we had the microphone boom arm plus pop filter, which I'm gonna have to figure out how it works, which is cool, and the microphone itself, and whoops, I almost took it out, the AudioBox, and then I'm going to put in here the headset, and that's everything. I want to thank everybody once again. I know this is a rather short video and it's been cut up some, but I want to thank you all again, and especially Lewis, Breaker 19, PA Nightmares, Weekly Creeps for helping figure out what the problem was, and Timothy Duran for helping with the problem, and for recommending the fix. And thank you all, and I hope you enjoyed this, and I'm going to get it all set up together so you guys can hear the difference. All right? Y'all have a great day. Thank you. Y'all have a great day or night, depending on where you are. And be safe, everybody. Be safe. Thank you for joining me for this special unboxing episode of Mina Live. Thanks again to everyone involved in getting the audio equipment. And I hope that you enjoy hearing what the audio equipment can do. Be safe, everybody.